What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to pair or how to connect your AirPods in here with your MacBook device. I'm going to show you how to connect it, how to pair it, so you can actually use your AirPods to increase your productivity in here by using your MacBook while having your AirPods connected. Now you can take things to the next level, and for example, one thing I love the most about this feature is I've turned on a feature that allows me to pick up calls from my MacBook. So every time I get a call here, for example, on my phone while I'm working on my laptop, in order to increase productivity, I can pick up that phone call here from my MacBook and using my AirPods, which are connected to my MacBook consequently. So I'm going to show you how to pair your AirPods in today's video. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now without any further ado, jumping into the video in here, whether you have the same model of AirPods as mine or a different model, do not worry, the process is exactly the same. First things first, you want to ensure you have some battery here within your AirPods, and then before connecting, I would recommend you guys to reset your AirPods. Simply open it up, press and hold the button here at the back if you do have AirPods with a physical button. Press and hold the button until you see the orange or amber light here blinking at the front of your AirPod. So once it starts blinking real quick, then you're gonna release and let it turn on normally. There we go, the orange color just showed up. I'm gonna release the button and let it turn on back normally. There we go. Now if you do have AirPods much recent without the physical button at the back, you just need to double tap 3 times the LED in here, as we do have a sensor, and that's how it goes. 1, 2, 3. That's how you double tap it in order to reset your AirPods real quick. So once you've done the reset process here within your AirPods, we're moving into our MacBook. You want to keep it open like this, right? Keep it open like this, side to side to your MacBook. I'm going to keep it here, for example. Next up, you want to open up the system settings at the top left corner of your MacBook. Tap on system settings real quick, and then here you want to go under Bluetooth, right? You want to hop into Bluetooth, make sure it's turned on. So once it's turned on, you'll be able to search for AirPods in here. You want to search for this specific AirPod that has a name, probably the name of the iPhone device that usually connects to it or anything like that. In my case, it's right here, Walter's AirPods Pro. I'm going to tap on connect, and this will, without any issue, in a few seconds connect into my AirPod in order to establish the connection. Now this is how easy you can actually pair your AirPods here with your MacBook to improve productivity. Thanks for watching till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section below if you do have any question or doubt. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.